Why invest in private credit and what is private credit? But essentially private credit are mortgages. Mortgages over collateralized by real estate, and specifically Canadian real estate. Investing in mortgages or investing in private credit has potential for providing much more predictable returns than what is available in the public markets. So better returns with a lower risk. That's the reason why you should consider investing in mortgages in your portfolio. You could invest in mortgages as a standalone, or you could have part of your portfolio invested in mortgages and private credit, and the rest of your portfolio could be invested more traditionally. Most major Canadian pension funds and some of the largest institutions are already investing in private credit, and you might have been hearing about private credit on the news since a lot of hedge funds are also starting to position their portfolios in private credit or mortgages. And the reason for that is, as I said earlier, there's a huge potential for much more predictable returns with a very decent return. As you can see on this slide here, over the last 3 years, private credit or mortgages have protected portfolios, have provided a predictable return during times of volatility, and compared to private fixed income, have actually delivered positive returns while markets were going through some major volatility and major sell-offs. So that's the reason you should consider private credit for part of your portfolio as well. So how do you access private credit investments or mortgage investments? Well, you could approach private credit firms individually, but you would be putting all of your eggs into one basket, so to speak, and some of these firms might have a fairly high entry level. What we recommend is looking at some of these pools which are sub-advised and will hold multiple of private credit firm investments inside those pools. That offers diversification plus more flexibility. Now, why has your advisor, your current advisor, not mentioned these private credit investments since they're very popular with pension funds and institutions? Well, the reason for that, he might or she might not have access to these investments, or they might not have the licensing that is required in order to provide these investments. So if your advisor has not talked to you about private credit investments, you could look up an independent advisor who has the licensing to offer these investments. Hopefully we were able to provide some value today. Please like the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We'll be releasing videos on various topics on a bi-weekly basis. And thanks again for tuning in. Have a great day, everybody.